iPhone USB connection not working on Mac. Fix. Step 1. Inspect your USB cable and ports. The physical connection is often the culprit. Damage to your cable or a dusty port can interrupt the connection. Examine your lightning cable. Look for fraying bends or damage. If it looks compromised, try a different cable, preferably an Apple certified one. Check your Mac's USB ports. Ensure they are free of debris. Try connecting your iPhone to a different USB port on your Mac. Step 2. Restart your iPhone and Mac. Restart your iPhone and your Mac to fix temporary connection issues. Power off both devices, wait a few seconds, then turn them back on. After restarting, reconnect your iPhone using a USB cable and check if it's detected. Step 3. Update your software. Outdated software on either your Mac or iPhone can cause communication errors over USB. Ensuring both devices are up to date often fixes background drivers issues. On Mac, go to the Apple menu, System Settings, General, Software Update. On iPhone, go to Settings, General, Software Update. Install any available updates and try reconnecting the USB cable. Step 4. Reset location and privacy. If your iPhone still isn't recognized, reset location and privacy settings. On your iPhone, go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone. Reset, then tap Reset Location and Privacy. This will reset trust permissions without deleting your data. Reconnect your iPhone and tap Trust when prompted. Step 5. Check System Report. Hold the Option key and click the Apple menu, then select System Information. Open USB and check if your iPhone appears in the list. If it shows up here, your Mac is detecting the device.